Hey everybody, it's the Gunny and I'm out here with the Beaufort Classic Car and Truck Club at their Cars and Coffee out here in Beaufort, South Carolina. Today we're going to go through and look at some of the cars that are going to be on display out here at Shell Point Plaza. Weather looking nice, looking good, and whatever cars show up, I'll make sure I try and get some good footage of them. All right, see you soon.
How's it going? My name is Michael Adams. I'm the Vice President of Beaufort Classic Car and Truck Club. I'm originally from Houston, Texas, and this is my 1969 Dodge D100. She's kind of a Johnny Cash truck of sorts of things. She's got 1971 grill, 1970 hood, 1963 bed, and a 1968 cab, kind of all mishmash of parts. And if you look under the hood, she's just got a little easy 318 two-barrel, upgraded soon, a beautifully homemade wiring job. Prior to that, Rick Larson. The truck has been owned by, I think, like 100 people in the last 5 years. It's gone through a lot of hands. Idling, it's been fun. That's why we have the new cab. Interior is just redone. We have the carpet we're getting in. It's tilt steering, automatic, no idea the miles on it, kind of how it works. And yeah, that's all I am.
As you can see behind me, we got the Beaufort Classic Car and Truck Club having a good time. Sitting here congregating and showing off their cars. You can do me a favor, if you'd like me to continue to bring this type of content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the bell notification button so that way you know when the video is ready for you to view. All right, just like I said with everything else though, anytime that I do a video, I will make sure you have all the information dropped down as a link in the description box.
My name is Steve Timmerman. I'm from St. Helena, originally from Michigan. 1927 Oakland, 401 Buick, 4-speed, 9-inch Ford rear end. Car's been in the family since the 60s. My dad bought it in the 60s.
Well, I hope everyone enjoyed the cars. Don't forget to come check out Phoenix Flooring and Design. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Every fourth Saturday down in Beaufort, the Beaufort Classic Car and Truck Club puts on the Cars and Coffee for this area at Shell Point Plaza. It is hosted by Phoenix Flooring and Design. So if you have any type of flooring needs, come out and see these guys. They're located in Shell Point Plaza.